Hello there, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana on Toledo Bend Lake. It's Christmas again. Got a package in the mail. Let's see who this is from. Doesn't really say. Did come from California though. Let's open it up and see what it says inside. Get my knife. Got a note here with a check. That's always good. It says, comes from Jenno in California. Jenno filled out a mail-in repair form for me to do the work on his 35 horsepower 1958 Evinrude. Cleaned the carb. I remember now. I remember communicating with him, so he sent me a check. Here's the carb. Cool. So I remember telling him via email that I don't have a 35 horsepower to put it on and check it. He was okay with it. He did ask me to check the electric choke. So there's a solenoid. There's the lead right here. Not sure, but I'm gonna take 12 volts and make sure that the solenoid works. If not, I'll try to get him another one and make it work for him. And then I'll take it apart and clean it and set the high and low speeds for him. So this is a mail-in repair service to clean Jenno's carb. I'll film it and Jenno will be able to see the work that I do on his carb. So if everybody's ready, here we go. Okay, I got my carb cleaner. I got my carb kit. It's an 18-70124. 7024. There's a carb kit for it, so I'm gonna break it apart, soak it, clean it, and then we're gonna test the solenoid for the electric choke by putting 12 volts on it right here and grounding the carburetor. We'll do that after we clean it. Let's go ahead and clean it right now. Okay, got the carburetor cleaned, rebuilt, got them set, got the high speed down here at the bottom, 3/4 out. I got the low speed, 1.5 out. So when Jenno gets this back and puts it on, he just got to adjust the high speed in and the low speed in till it runs right. Now I'm gonna take it outside and try to test the electric choke on it by putting battery and ground to it, see if I can get it to click. Let's do that now. Okay, what I got here, it's got the electric choke solenoid hooked up, and I also got a voltmeter on it. So I'm gonna get my voltmeter set up here at 0 volts. I got the positive lead here, I got the negative lead on ground, and I got wiring coming from a battery. So I got positive voltage hitting here in the ground, on the ground of this solenoid. So I'm gonna flip the switch and I'm gonna hit the start button. That is gonna apply 12 volts to that electric choke. See the 12 volts? 12.5 volts. 12.5 volts is hitting that electric choke when I hit the start button. 12.47 volts. So that relay is bad. That electric choke relay is bad. I'm gonna have to order one and replace it to get Jenno's electric choke. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. If you did, hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button and catch all my videos. You know, my passion are these vintage outboard motors. Johnson and Evinrude, 1950s, 60s, and 70s, 3 horsepower to 18 horsepower. I think I have all the videos, over 500 videos, on everything you need to know to repair, service, and restore your vintage outboard motors. I have all the parts, all the videos, and all the parts manuals for you to do that. I love what I do. The best way to reach me is on my website, tmikesvintageoutboards.com. You go to that website, I have links for everything you need. I have links for all the parts you need. If you don't know the parts you need, there's a link called the Parts Broker where you can fill out the form and submit it to me, and I'll find your part for you. All right. I also have a link for a mail-in repair service where you can ship me your carburetor, your gear case, or your magneto. I'll repair it, video it, put it on YouTube, and ship it back to you. I also have a link for technical consulting. If you have a question, just fill out the link. There's a donation page if you want to help pay T-Mike, and I'll answer your question and get back to you. That's the best way to reach me, is on my website, tmikesvintageoutboards.com. I love what I do. It's been a great ride. And remember, always remember, and never forget, here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.